What's up, everybody? It's Gary here from saferwholesale.com. What we're going to do here today is kind of just give you a brief explanation and walk around of the Fat Tire Savage electric trike. Now, you're going to see that the bike is going to come with this bag, and this is the carry bag that goes in the back. If you're taking a look, obviously, this is just going to get screwed down. You've got a washer and then your screws, 1, 2, 3, and 4 there. As far as your chain goes, it goes around. Obviously, you got to loop it. Do we have to connect the chain as far as with the links?
There's just 2 pieces in the bag.
Now, there's 2 pieces in the bag. And then what's that? And then they snap on. So as far as your brakes go in the rear, you know, it comes through. As far as your connections on the handlebars, you've got your speeds on the right side, and on the left side you've got your on and off button, your brakes. Pretty self-explanatory there. As far as your motor, this is how it goes. Tire, and then your disc brake on this side. So you've got your washer on there. Pretty neat. Disc brake here. And then again, this is your front fender. And like I said, we'll do a detailed video here later. I just want to get you guys something so you have it. Your frame, again, 48 volt amp hour, 10 amp hour. On the left side is your key, your handle here. This obviously will pull right up. These are reverse thread on your pedals. As far as your fenders here, check it out. You've got a nut, a bolt, left-hand side, right-hand side. These guys right here. Call with any questions, and like I said, we are going to make a detailed video, but just so you guys can see how this bad boy is put together, or I should say constructed. It's very well built, very sturdy, real nice machine. Again, you got your parking brake here. This is your little bell. Guys and gals, any questions, like I said, let us know. This is your light in the front, LED. Disc brake, once again, on the left-hand side here. Any questions, call us up. saferwholesale.com.